Hi everyone, this video is about demonstrating the microwave sensor by BlackT Electrotech, which is an Indian company. So this is the sensor. Let's look at it. So this is the live, neutral and the load, and these are the settings. The lux is set to maximum towards the sun, sense is set to maximum, and the time is set to 10 seconds for the purpose of this demonstration according to this manual. So this live and neutral is connected to here, which is then connected to the load, and this comes on the top of this one. So let's demonstrate. I'm switching it on and it is going to stay on for 10 seconds. I am not moving. Now I'm going to move my hand. It is going to stay on for 10 seconds. I'm still, nothing is moving. I'm going to move my hand. And this is how it is working. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off the light to see if that works. Okay. So the light is switched off, that is on. I am still. Now it has turned on. As you can see, it is completely night. I'm going to move to see if this works, and I am moving and it has worked. It is going to stay on. I am not moving. I'm still. It is going to stay on for 10 seconds. I'm going to switch back the light on, and before I just get on and switched on the light, it turned on. So I am here still. It is going, I'm not moving. It is going to stay on for 10 seconds and it has off. So let me move something, maybe a hand, and yes, that is it. Thank you.